Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with another episode where we shall be covering the Chunchanakatte Waterfalls. The waterfalls, as you can see, is cascading from a height of 20 meters. There is a hydropower station nearby, and it is heard that they release water from the dam all of a sudden, and at that time the water level rises, and 3 years back there was an accident in which a scientist lost his life because at that time public could play over there in between those rocks, and they were unaware of the fatalities that could have happened, and the water suddenly rose and they were unable to come back, and the poor man got swept away in the river. This is actually Kaveri River, and this waterfall has a small history behind it. It is said that Chuncha and I'm afraid maybe I'm getting the pronunciations wrong. There was a couple who had given shelter to Lord Rama when they were in Banvas. I mean to say Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. They were in their Banvas, and what had happened, Sita wanted to take a bath, and so Lord Rama used an arrow to pierce one of those rocks. And what happened? Lakshmana. And no, I'm sorry. Lord Lakshman used his arrow to pierce one of those rocks, and 3 water streams came down. One stream with shikakai, which ladies in India use to bathe and use it like a shampoo, and one stream was with turmeric or haldi, which has lots of medicinal values in India. So still you can see that one of the water flows is a bit yellowish. Actually this is a folklore, a folk story. The science behind this is something different altogether. Maybe the color of the rocks, because the water is very transparent, the color of the rocks behind the water is coming through the water, and it gives a yellowish tint to the water. So that's the beautiful story where Lord Lakshman fulfilled the wish of his sister-in-law and created this 3-colored stream. And there is another story that Lord Rama was very disgusted with the constant niggerings of his wife Sita, because she would be speaking constantly, and as you know, most husbands get easily irritated when their wives speak too much. So Lord Rama gave a curse that all the tongues of ladies shouldn't be so sharp, he said. And what happened, Kaveri is basically, this is considered to be the tongue of Kaveri, and Kaveri is a woman, so that's a woman's tongue. And since then the sound of the waterfall is very low. If you happen to visit the Sanctum Sanctorum, which is just behind us, there the sound of the water hardly reaches. So in a way the curse became a truth. So that's about it. Bye bye.